Today's word is yes. Y-E-S. Yes. Can you say it? Yes. Superb. Yes means you agree or something is true. Listen. Yes, I want to play. Can you come? Yes. Is it fun? Yes, it is. Say it with me. Yes.